From many decades, EPS 95 pensioners are giving various representations and continuing protest for justifiable pension. Many pensioners getting pension around rupees 1000. Many pensioners who retired in the official category also are not getting pension higher than rupees 3000. On these circumstances, many pensioners are not able to lead their day-to-day life with minimum pension and unable to tide over medical expenditure. Petition filed in the Supreme Court against pension to politicians. Share and support this cause. Now a leader of the leaders has filed a bill in the Supreme Court, sending it for your assessment. Dear respected citizens of India, you are requested to read this message, and if you agree, then please send it to all the people in your contact and in turn ask them to forward further also. In 3 days, this message should be in entire India. Every citizen should raise voice in India. 2018 Improvement Act. MP should not get pension because politics is not a job or employment, but a free service. Politics is an election under the Public Representation Act. There is no retirement, but they can be re-elected in the same situation again. Currently, they get pension after 5 years of service. One more disorder in this is that if a person has been a councillor first, then becomes a legislator and then becomes an MP, then he gets not 1 but 3 pensions. This is a great betrayal with the citizens of the country, who immediately have to act to stop this. With the Central Pay Commission, salary allowance of MPs is being reversed. This should be brought under the income tax. At present, MPs increase their salaries and allowances arbitrarily by voting for themselves, and at that time all the parties are united. MP's healthcare system should be discarded, and healthcare like public health of India should take care of them like any other citizen. Presently, their treatment often is done abroad. If they have to get it done abroad, they should get it done at their own expense. All concessions to them, such as electricity, water and phone bill, should end. They not only get many such concessions, but they also increase them regularly. Criminals should be prevented from contesting elections. Suspicious persons with punitive records, criminal charges and determination past or present should be banned from the parliament. Financial losses caused by them due to politicians in the office should also be recovered from them. Their nominees, properties, MP should also follow the same rules applicable to common citizens. No deduction on LPG gas subsidy by the citizens, unless the subsidies available to MPs and MLAs and other subsidies, including subsidized food in the parliament canteens, are not withdrawn. Serving in the parliament is an honor, not a lucrative career for looting. Free rail and airplane travel should stop. Why does the common man have to bear their fun? In every person communicates with at least 20 people, most people in India will take only 3 days to get this message. Don't you think this is the right time to raise this issue? If you agree with the above, then forward it. If not, just delete it. You are one of my 20 plus. Please continue this. Thank you. ఒక ప్రక్క ఈపీఎస్ 95 పెన్షనర్స్ కొన్ని దశాబ్దాలుగా న్యాయసమ్మతమైన పెన్షన్ కోసము అనేక రకాల రిప్రజెంటేషన్స్ మరియు ఆందోళనలు చేస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. చాలామంది పెన్షనర్స్కు 1000 రూపాయల పెన్షన్ మాత్రమే వస్తున్నది. పెద్ద స్థాయిలో అధికార